Hey, sweetie. I can tell you're not feeling well today. I know, it's that time of the month today. No, sweetie, you don't have to explain anything. I got you, okay? I know how hard it is for you around this time. But first things first, can I get you anything to help you with your cramps? I mean, I can get you some pain relief or make you a cup of tea. Just say the word. And I know this sucks, but I'm right here. I'm right here to help you through it. So if you want to rest, I can stay close. Or if you need any distractions, we can watch a movie. We can cuddle up. And we can just lay there. I mean, sweetie, you really shouldn't feel like you're pushing through this on your own. I'm here to help you. So, let me help you take some weight off of your shoulders. You always handle everything with so much strength. But right now, just focus on resting, okay? And take it easy. You, my dear, you deserve it. Here, let me give you a massage. I hope this makes things better. I wish I can take all the pain away from you. You don't deserve to feel like this. But I'll do anything to make it right, okay? Don't worry, sweetie. I'll stay with you as long as you need. If you want to just lay here and relax, I can hold you. And if you need to talk, I can listen. Whatever you need, I'm here. Baby, you're so strong for getting through this. And I want you to know it's okay to just let go sometimes. You don't have to push yourself right now. Just let me take care of you. Here you go, sweetie. I got you this heated water ball thingy. It's in the shape of a bear. You're supposed to heat it up and it's supposed to go in your belly. Okay? Give me 1 second, let me go heat it up for you. Here you go, sweetie, I'm back. Here's that water bottle. Here, let me put it on your belly. There you go. Sweetie, scoot over a bit. Let me lie down right next to you. You know, sweetie, I was thinking about the day we first met. Back in college. I know it feels like a lifetime ago. But I remember it so clearly, like it happened yesterday. rushing through the hallways, trying to make it before the professor noticed me. And then out of nowhere, I bumped into you. And I'll never forget that look on your face. You were so startled. You dropped all your books. They went flying. I felt so bad. And I remember kneeling down, picking up every one of your books, apologizing over and over again. But you just looked at me and laughed. It was the first thing that I noticed about you. And I don't know why. But from that moment, I felt like I had to know you. There was something about you. Something so special. And I was so glad I bumped into you that day. That day changed everything for me. Then after a while, getting to know you, and I finally got the courage to ask you to become my study buddy. And that's when we started to hang out more and more. And I remember how we used to study late in the library. You were just so focused. And I would just sit there, pretending to read. But really, I was watching you. I mean, I couldn't help it. I was so mesmerized by how dedicated you were, how passionate. And I still love that about you. I remember I used to get so embarrassed when you caught me staring at you. I would make up some kind of excuse, but I think you knew. I mean, I couldn't stop thinking about how lucky I was. How lucky I still am to have met you in my life. I mean, you always had a way of making things feel right, even when things are tough. That's why I'm so thankful for you. You make me feel like I can handle anything. So tonight, just let me take care of you, okay? Sweetie, I want to cuddle. Come cuddle. Come here. Come on, close.